Welcome back to Builds by Fixit Design. In today's video, we're diving into a full step-by-step guide on how to apply an epoxy coat to your garage floor, a powerful way to transform any dull or damaged garage into a long-lasting, professional-looking space. Whether it's your home garage or a busy commercial workshop, this guide will walk you through the process from surface prep to final finishing, using premium materials and expert techniques. Let's get started. Step 1. Surface preparation. The foundation of a flawless epoxy coat begins with proper surface preparation. Start by thoroughly cleaning your garage floor. Remove all oil stains, dust, dirt, and debris. A power washer or degreaser helps lift stubborn grime. Once cleaned, inspect the floor for cracks or holes. These need to be patched with a concrete repair compound and allowed to dry completely. If the floor has an old coating, use a grinder or acid etching to remove it and roughen the surface. This gives the epoxy a strong base to adhere to. Never skip this step, it's the key to a durable finish. Step 2. Priming the floor. Once the surface is clean and dry, it's time to apply the primer. The primer acts as a bonding layer between the concrete and epoxy coating, preventing issues like peeling or bubbling. Use a roller to evenly apply the primer across the entire floor. Allow it to cure according to manufacturer instructions, usually for about 6 to 8 hours. A good primer ensures deeper penetration into the surface, especially for older or porous garage floors. Step 3. Mixing and applying the epoxy coat. Now comes the main event: mixing and applying the epoxy. Most epoxy kits come with two components, a resin and a hardener. Mix them thoroughly, following the correct ratios and stir time. Once mixed, you'll have a limited working time, usually 30 to 40 minutes, so plan your application accordingly. Start by pouring the epoxy in ribbons across the floor, then use a roller to spread it evenly. Work in sections to ensure full coverage, and maintain a wet edge to avoid overlapping marks. If desired, you can sprinkle decorative flakes over the wet epoxy to add texture and slip resistance. These flakes also enhance the appearance, giving the floor a granite-like finish. Once done, let the first coat cure fully, usually 12 to 24 hours. Step 4. Applying a second coat and sealing. For added durability and shine, apply a second coat of epoxy. This will reinforce the floor's strength and create a glossy, showroom-like surface. You can also seal the surface with a clear top coat to protect it from UV rays, stains, and heavy traffic. This is especially useful in commercial garages or workshops where the floor takes daily abuse. Let everything cure completely before using the space, ideally for 48 to 72 hours. Benefits of epoxy garage floors. Epoxy-coated garage floors are not just about aesthetics, they offer a long list of benefits. The surface becomes easy to clean, resistant to stains, chemicals, and tire marks. It prevents cracks, reduces dust buildup, and even reflects more light to brighten up your workspace. At Fixit Design, we use VOC-free, non-toxic coatings that are safe, odor-free, and built to last for years. Plus, it adds value to your property, whether it's a home or commercial space. Our expertise at Fixit Design. Fixit Design has been delivering professional garage flooring solutions across Dubai for decades. From residential garages to industrial-scale workshops, we bring expertise in epoxy coatings, custom floor finishes, and seamless tile installations. We also offer underfloor heating, weather-resistant finishes, and quick tile fittings, all designed to suit your specific needs. If you're unsure which coating is best, we provide free catalogs and 24/7 consultation to help you make the perfect choice. Ready to give your garage the upgrade it deserves. Whether you're looking for a tough surface for your tools and tires or a clean, attractive finish that makes your space stand out, epoxy flooring is the ultimate solution. Contact Fixit Design today for professional installation, free design consultation, and high-performance coatings built to last. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Builds by Fixit Design, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest how-to guides and renovation ideas. See you in the next build.